on our website, we just include information about dental treatments for our patients, right? Things like dental implant, veneers, teeth whitening, etc., etc. Now, that's the biggest assumption of these treatment pages is that the patients know the solution to their problem or their condition. And that's why it's important to actually put in website content that's the conditions as well, the problem itself, right? So you're assuming that, if not every patients are savvy in terms of what they know the solution to their problem. Most patient, or majority of the patient, they know the problems they have. Whether they're snoring, whether they got a missing tooth and stuff. So they'll actually search for how do I treat this condition that I have? And imagine if you have a page dedicated to that condition, then search engine can find you better, patient will get better understanding of why this condition exists. Right? And in our sort of copywriting sort of style, what we do is we write it in a way to encourage, to educate, to say, what is this condition also known as? So it could be different terminology, technical terminology, how it happens, why did it happen, how do you solve it, and most importantly, if you don't do anything about it, what's going to happen? So this will actually motivate people to take action. There's nothing worse than patients sort of like, oh yeah, I'll just, and this happens. I got this wisdom teeth problem. I'll just hold on to it, until the pain becomes unbearable. Then I'll go to see a doctor. By then, you might actually have caused more issue than if you have not just gone to the dentist on the first place, and it could have pushed your other teeth out of whack. You would endure months or weeks of pain unnecessarily, and that's why if you don't treat it, this is what's going to happen, and that's the trigger for the people who is very passive or on the back foot. Right? So it's important to create content for those people who know the problem they have but don't know the solution, right? As well as the people who knows the treatment they need. Right? So then you get the best of both worlds. So we've got plenty of other videos similar to this where it helps you with your marketing of your practice. Either subscribe to us on YouTube or like us on Facebook and be notified the next time the video comes out.